Royal Caribbean Group has introduced a brand new addition to its loyalty benefits called Points Choice. And this is a big deal for cruisers. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what it does, how it works, and why you should care. So don't go anywhere because this update could completely change how you earn status and perks on your future cruises. What is Points Choice? This is a new loyalty feature which allows you to choose which loyalty program your cruise points are applied to after your sailing. Instead of points automatically going to the brand you sail on, you now have the option to apply them to another Royal Caribbean Group loyalty program. Now let's break that down even a bit more. This new program applies to Royal Caribbean's Crown and Anchor Society, Celebrity Cruises Captain Club members, and Silver Sea Venetian Society. Here's a quick breakdown of how the points will work across each brand. Using the photo on screen as an example, if your preferred cruise line is Celebrity and you take a Royal cruise in an ocean view suite 2-bedroom without balcony, on Royal Caribbean you would typically get 2 points. If transferred over to Celebrity, you will get 5 points. If your favorite cruise line is Royal Caribbean and you do a Celebrity sailing in a concierge or aqua class stateroom, you would get 2 points with Royal Caribbean. With Silver Sea, regardless of the category you sail on Royal Caribbean or Celebrity, you will get 1 point with Silver Sea. Points Choice is especially useful for cruisers who sail more than one Royal Caribbean Group brand, or who are working towards a specific loyalty tier. If you only sail one brand, this may not change much for you. But for multi-brand cruisers, this adds real flexibility. Points Choice gives cruisers more control and more strategy when it comes to loyalty rewards. It doesn't complicate cruising, it rewards people who cruise smart. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Do you cruise more than one Royal Caribbean Group brand, or do you usually stick to just one? If you had to choose today, which loyalty program would you send your points to? Crown and Anchor, Captain's Club, or Venetian Society? And do you see Points Choice as a win for cruisers? Or do you think it still needs improvement? Drop your answers in the comments. I'm jumping in and replying. And your questions might end up in a future video.